Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best outdoor furniture is probably one of the most important investments you can make for your outdoor space. Whether you're looking to create a cozy dining area, a relaxing lounge space, or a stylish spot for entertaining, the right outdoor furniture can transform your patio, deck, or backyard into a true oasis. In this video, we'll explore some of the top options available. Number 5. Best Choice 6-Person Wooden Picnic Table. This 6-person picnic table is made of weather-resistant wood. It's designed to be a long-lasting addition to your backyard. The connected benches can accommodate up to 6 people. Each bench can hold up to 500 pounds, perfect for family gatherings. There's a convenient hole in the center of the table. It's designed to fit a patio umbrella, providing shade for outdoor relaxation. This picnic table is ideal for any outdoor space. Place it on your patio, in the garden, or under a tree for a meal. The natural wood texture offers a great DIY experience. You can paint it to match your style. The table dimensions are 35 inches in diameter and 27 inches high, with a weight capacity of 1,500 pounds. What we like? This picnic table is built to last with its weather-resistant wood. It comfortably seats 6 people, perfect for family gatherings. Plus, the built-in umbrella hole provides shade on sunny days. If you have a large family or enjoy hosting outdoor meals, this is an excellent choice. What people say. This is a well-made and easy-to-put-together picnic table perfect for our 12 by 17 patio. Real cedar wood. It smells wonderful. The build, materials, and hardware are all good quality. Visually, the table and benches look very nice. It's designed with more of a traditional, outdoor picnic table look, and I appreciate the tasteful aesthetic. Number 4. Pamapic 8504 Patio 7-Piece Wicker Furniture Set. This patio set features a durable iron slats tabletop. It's designed to be dirt-resistant and easy to clean. There are also 2 holes for adding a parasol for shade. The set is built with a stable iron frame and weather-resistant PE rattan. This combination allows it to withstand various weather conditions, making it perfect for outdoor use. Enjoy comfortable seating with thick foam cushions. The cushions are covered in machine-washable olefin fabric, ensuring both comfort and easy maintenance. The set includes a rectangular dining table and 6 rattan chairs. It's ideal for your patio, deck, or backyard, providing ample space for dining and relaxation. The set comes in 2 boxes and requires assembly after receiving all parts. The table weighs 65 pounds and features adjustable legs for added stability. What we like? This outdoor set features a sturdy iron frame and weather-resistant rattan. The thick, comfortable cushions are machine washable. The table has an umbrella hole for shade. If you are looking for a stylish and comfortable outdoor dining set that's easy to maintain, this is a great option. What people say. Nice table set for our covered patio. The seat cushions could use a bit more foam, but overall they are very comfortable. We have a stone patio, and the leg levelers compensate for any unlevel table wobble. This set has the look of wood, tabletop, sturdiness of the metal legs and nice basket weaving design, chair backs and table edge. Overall the look is very high-end. Number 3. HLPB 6-Feet Folding Picnic Table Set. This 6-foot folding table and bench set is constructed with premium HDPE material and reinforced steel legs. The table can hold up to 300 pounds and the bench can hold up 650 pounds, ensuring long-lasting stability and durability. Featuring a foldable design, this picnic table bench set can be set up in seconds. It's perfect for indoor and outdoor use, from camping trips to backyard barbecues. Equipped with both a triangular bracket anti-folding lock and a safety lock on the back of the tabletop, this foldable table and bench set provides added safety and security during use. With a compact, foldable design, this plastic folding table and bench set can be easily transported and stored. This makes it an ideal choice for on-the-go use and storage. Whether you're hosting a party or looking for a workspace solution, this versatile folding table and bench set is perfect for use in a variety of indoor and outdoor settings. It's great for patios, gardens, poolside areas, lawns, and more. What we like? This folding table set is designed for convenience with its foldable design. It's built with high-quality materials and reinforced steel legs, ensuring stability. It also includes safety features for secure use. If you like a portable and versatile solution for various outdoor activities, this set is perfect for you. What people say. The table is sturdy and the chairs are comfortable. The set is well made and looks great on my patio. The chairs are stackable, which is a great space-saving feature. Number 2. TITIMO Cast Aluminum Patio Dining Set. This outdoor dining set is crafted from high-quality cast aluminum. It undergoes a special PVD process, resulting in a surface with high hardness and low friction. This ensures its durability and longevity. The patio dining table and chairs have been newly upgraded for enhanced stability. After undergoing rust-proof and moisture-proof treatments, it is designed to resist corrosion and aging. You can rely on it for years of use. Assembly is quick and easy, with all necessary hardware and a detailed instruction manual included. The anti-rust powder-coated surface is easy to maintain. Simply wipe it down with a wet cloth to keep it looking its best. The pattern chairs are designed with ergonomics in mind, providing a comfortable sitting position. The table and chairs are proportioned to disperse pressure, promoting smooth blood circulation and reducing muscle fatigue. The patio dining table measures 35.4 L x 35.4 W x 29.5 H. The cast aluminum swivel chair is 25.8 L x 26.8 W x 35.8 H. The table can hold 165 pounds, and each chair can hold 300 pounds. What we like. This dining set is made of high-quality cast aluminum, treated for rust resistance. The set is easy to assemble and clean. The chairs are designed for comfort. If you are looking for a durable and stylish outdoor dining set that requires minimal maintenance, consider this one. What people say. Chairs are very comfortable even without cushions. It is aluminum and will not rust, which I like. The chairs are very sturdy and comfortable to sit on as well. Number 1. Best choice Acacia Wood Bistro Set. This bistro set features a classic folding design. It's easy to set up and store, making it perfect for any outdoor space. Crafted from naturally durable acacia wood, this set resists rot and wear. The light teak finish adds a touch of style to the furniture. The teak finish seals the wood, making it resistant to stains. The open slat design prevents moisture buildup, ensuring easy cleanup. The 2 chairs can support up to 240 pounds each. The matching table provides ample space for an intimate dining experience. Forget the tools, this set is ready to use right out of the box. Enjoy entertaining your guests with this convenient and stylish bistro set. What we like. This bistro set features a classic folding design for easy setup and storage. It's made from durable acacia wood with a teak finish. The set is ready to use right out of the box. If you like a compact and stylish set for a small outdoor space, this is a great choice. What people say. It was super easy to set up as there was no assembly required. I just took it out of the box, popped it open and put it on the porch. It is the perfect size for 2 people for drinks or lunch, and the seats are very comfortable. I was very impressed by the quality of the chairs and table. They appear well made and quite sturdy. Easily worth that money. They also shipped very fast, and I had them in a couple of days. No assembly required either, which is nice. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.